Students, welcome to the class 9th of subject science of chapter first matters in our surroundings. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of this chapter, that is effect of change of temperature on states of matter. I will like to tell you, or we will revise, that there were three states of matter, that are solids, liquid and gas. I have shown the arrangement of particles in solids. You see students, they are very much closely packed and their force of attraction between them is very big because they are closely packed. There are no intracellular spaces between them. So the kinetic energy is also very less. The particles are vibrating in between them at their fixed positions. They are not allowed to move freely or go far away from each other. In case of the liquids, you see the particles are loosely packed as compared to the solids. They have less force of attraction between them, so the kinetic energy is much larger than the solids that is present in the particles of the solids. Now in case of the gases, the particles are very far away from each other as kinetic energy is very large and force of attraction between them is very least as compared to the particles of the solids and liquids. Students, I would also like to tell you that kinetic energy is related to the motion. If it is more, the particles will move more, and it is less, the particles will move less. Now, in this chapter, in this topic, we will take the example of water, because the water exists in all the three states. Like solids, it is ice, in liquids, it is water, and in gaseous states, these are water vapors. We will see what effect of change of temperature will get in all these three states. First of all, we will take the state solid, which is we have got ice. If students, we will put high temperature, we will heat ice. It will start, what will start in it? The kinetic energy between the particles is increased. Kinetic energy will increase. So the particles will start vibrating with a great speed because kinetic energy is increasing. Start vibrating with a speed. Now they will leave their fixed position. Right? And they will move freely. As we have seen, when the kinetic energy is increased, they start moving freely. So, when the kinetic energy, we have put temperature, we have increased the temperature in the solids or ice, kinetic energy is increased, particles start vibrating with the speed, they leave their fixed position and will move freely, and they will break the force of attraction between them. The heat we have supplied to them will help them to overcome the force of attraction. So the ice will start melting. It will start melting to liquid. Right, students? I repeat, when we increase the temperature, we will heat the ice. Kinetic energy will increase. The particles will start vibrating with a great speed. Like this, in the liquids, they will leave their fixed position and move freely, and they will break the force of attraction, and ice will start melting into liquid. The temperature, this thing you have to remember, the temperature at which solid start changing into liquid. At atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? That we will discuss in our physics chapter. Is known as boiling temperature or boiling point, right? The boiling point, or sorry, it is melting point. Sorry, the temperature solid start changing into liquid, it is known as melting point. The melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius, or it is 273 Kelvin, right? The temperature at which solid start changing into liquid, it starts melting. So at atmospheric pressure is known as its melting point, and melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Now the point comes when we have got the liquid, we have got the water. Now we will heat the water which is in the liquid state. Then we will take liquid as water. When we will heat the water, the kinetic energy will increase more. The particles will start vibrating with a very high speed, because kinetic energy is very more, and they will leave their fixed position and they will move freely, and they will break the force of attraction left behind, and the water will start boiling into vapors. Students, whenever we will increase the temperature, the kinetic energy also get increased, and the particles move so freely with a very great speed. Now the definition will be the temperature at which the liquid start changing into gas at atmospheric pressure, that is known as its boiling point. That is known as its boiling point. Now the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, or it is 373 Kelvin. Right, students? Now there are some substances which are directly converting from solid to gases. As we have discussed earlier, we take ammonium chloride or took the example of naphthalene balls. They are directly converting from solids to gases. This process is known as sublimation. And in some cases is the case of the reverse. Gases are converted into solids without going into the liquid state. This is known as deposition. And this is known as sublimation. So students, that's all for the today. We discussed what is the effect of the temperature. When we rise the temperature, what happens to the states of the matter. From solids they get into liquids, from liquids they get into gases. But in some cases, solids directly get into gases, that is sublimation, and from gases to solids they are converted. This is known as deposition. This is all for today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, students.